Are you ready to start your Quran education journey, but find it challenging to take traditional classes? Look no further than MJ Online Quran Academy. We offer online Quran courses specially designed for beginners. Visit our website at www.mjonlinequranacademy.com to begin your journey. Explore our platform, familiarize yourself with our mission, and browse our variety of Quran courses tailored for beginners. Our courses cover everything from basic Quran recitation to tajweed, correct pronunciation, and understanding the meaning of Quranic verses. Identify a course that matches your learning goals, then contact us using the information provided on our website. Our friendly and knowledgeable team will guide you in choosing the course that best suits your needs. To ensure our online Quran courses meet your expectations, we offer trial lessons for beginners. Experience our teaching methods, interact with our tutors, and learn about our user-friendly learning platform. Congratulations! You are now ready to start your online Quran course. Our experienced and qualified tutors will guide you through each lesson, focusing on building a solid foundation in Quran recitation, tajweed rules, and deepening your understanding of the Quran. Begin your transformative journey today